Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix problem when you get connection to your internet but cannot surf any website or use Google Play Store on Oppo A16. So, as you can see, I have internet connection. But if I go to Google Play Store, open any app, it doesn't load. The same is with Google Chrome. So, to fix that, you need to go to your settings, scroll down, additional settings, date and time, and set automatically. As you can see now, if I go to Google and open Google again, for example, it works fine. The same is with Google Play Store. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.